Good morning and Atma Malik to everyone. Today I am going to speak on a fascinating topic, art integration, the colors of learning. The National Education Policy 2020 tells us that every child must learn everything, not through books alone, but through art, creativity, and imagination. Actually, art integration begins within your own mind first. It helps us to connect science, mathematics, social science, and even poetry through color, shape, and nature. All arts, performing art, visual art, drawing, painting, dance, music, beautifully fit to all subjects. Arts and literature are already integrated. The same thing we are going to learn in standard ninth lesson, reading works of art. Art is already integrated with all the subjects. Let's begin with the color of chemistry. Every pigment tells a story. For example, carbon black, cobalt blue, zinc white, chrome yellow. These are the original names of colors. You can ask to any drawing teacher what is the real name of these colors. Surely they will answer the same. It is carbon black, cobalt blue, zinc white, and chrome yellow. These are not just colors, they are creation of chemist. Carbon black gives depth to ink and paint. Cobalt blue colors our ceramic and glasses. Zinc white makes the paper and canvas shine, and chrome yellow brightens our art and design. So I said earlier, these are not just colors, but they are creation of chemist. This is what NEP 2020 tells us, that each child will learn everything. Learning becomes joyful when all subjects connect through art. Now let's fold into origami and geometry. When we fold a square sheet of paper into triangle, petals or cranes, we are not just creating art, we are practicing angles, symmetry, and proportion. Geometry becomes alive when every fold and mathematics turn creative. Let's color our minds with creativity and curiosity. Means when we go through this lesson, we come to know that all subjects are related to each other. Even if we are teaching English, we should take the help of algebra, geometry, social science, drawing, painting, or it may be science. Next, let's visit the tribal villages of Maharashtra, where Warli art speaks of life, community, and balance. The Warli artists use circles, triangles, and lines, pure geometry, to tell stories of farming, festivals, and family life. Through this art, we connect mathematics with social science, learning how art expresses culture, equality, harmony with nature. Art and poem walk hand in hand. When we draw our ideas and write our feelings, we make a storyboard, a visual poem. Storyboard plays an important role in teaching. A small sketch can speak louder than words, and a few lines of poetry can color our thoughts with imagination. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, a very well-known Hindi poetess, her one of poem I am going to share with you. यह कदम्ब का पेड़ अगर माँ होता यमुना तीरे, मैं भी उस पर बैठ कन्हैया बनता धीरे धीरे, ले देती यदि मुझे बांसुरी तुम दो पैसे वाली, किसी तरह नीचे हो जाती यह कदम्ब की डाली। तुम आंचल फैला कर अम्मा वही पेड़ के नीचे ईश्वर से कुछ विनती करती बैठी आंखें मीची, तुम्हें ध्यान में लगी देख मैं धीरे धीरे आता और तुम्हारे फैले आंचल के नीचे छिप जाता. When we integrate art for teaching this poem, all the student they will understand it very clearly with the help of pictures. Creating storyboard is a very good activity. It may be class first or it may be class 9. For all these three stages, creating storyboard in teaching plays an important role to teach very effectively. For example, storyboard of botany. In botany, art helps us to understand complex processes easily. Imagine a storyboard of photosynthesis. The sun smiles, leaves dance with chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water join hands, and the tree says, I create food for life. Through art, we understand science not by memorizing but experiencing. Creating storyboard is a very good activity. It may be class first or it may be class 9. For all these three stages, creating storyboard in teaching plays an important role to teach very effectively. When we use storyboards in our teaching, it may be any subject, students understand better. They never forget those concepts if they are explained with the help of storyboards. Throughout their life, that knowledge becomes permanent in their mind. So, friends, this is what NEP 2020 truly means: learning through connection, whether it's chemistry, geometry, tribal, art, or biology. Every subject is a color on the same palette. When art blooms in our mind, learning becomes joyful. This is what art complete. Integration. If we go through such attempts, every child of your class will learn each and everything permanently. By doing various activities, NEP says that by performing a role play, video, filmmaking, photography, PPT slides, designing various apps, documentaries, sketches, sculpture, you can use these various techniques to teach your student. Use your creativity in your class, because arts integration begins within your own mind first. Thank you.